like I actually was thinking maybe I'll try our website to see if they sell those Sony headphones. There's like 15 accessories. It's not even a shopping experience. Like you don't even visit that shop for it. There's not enough content for us to come in. And Ajan was saying you put this a lot of campaigns and stuff like that. And it will be like join this $40 plan for $20. Click that link, it goes to $50. Why? I mean, it's not. I think she was just complaining that no one has managed it and she has